you need to make that portable browser as your default browser. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you need to copy this path. Go to Start menu and search for Registry Editor. Open it. Now paste the path here and hit the Enter key. It will take you to the window like this. Double-click on it. By default, here, you will see the original Chrome browser path, but you need to change it to the portable Chrome browser path. Only then it will work. Now you have to locate your portable Chrome browser. Copy its path and paste it into a notepad file, because as you can see, I have 2 backslashes included in the path. You need to do the same with your browser path. Add everything else like this. And then copy the path. Now go to the Registry Editor and add the path there. After that, run the portable browser. Click here and go to the settings. Now click here on the default browser. Click on Make Default. It will take you to Windows Default App Settings. Now click on Web Browser, which will let you choose your default browser. Here it will show you 2 Chrome browsers. One is original and the other is portable. Let me choose one of them and check whether it is a portable one or not. To check it, I have the Grammarly extension installed, which will redirect to the default browser when I will click on the Login button. This redirected to my original Chrome browser. So I had to choose the other one and then try again. Choose the other one this time. Let's try it now. Click on the Login button. This time it redirected me to the portable browser. You can change your default browser anytime you want. If you find this method useful, share my website with your friends and family. And also, do leave a comment on my website. It will be useful for new visitors. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.